Alright, so we got our little floppy throw bearing. Wow, it's a bumpy start to a clip. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I got a helper today. It's a little cold, maybe she won't be in the video too much. Peep the hoodie again. She made it. Looks good. Shout out, thank you. So today we're focusing on engine stuff for the Civic, obviously. Old engine's over there behind the pile of shit. So I guess it's time to reveal. We're doing a B series swap, second one I've done. This one, not a B16, it's a B18. Yeah, we're gonna go B18. Non-VTEC B18 B1 out of a 98 Integra. We're not going too crazy with the engine itself. We're just pulling it apart. Hopefully finding like a blown clutch or something, because the car we pulled it out of was in great shape. So I don't know why they would junk an Integra unless something blew up. And if it's, you know, another window in the block, honestly, yeah, I will be thoroughly upset. So hopefully we find good news and something little is wrong that is easily replaceable. But jumping right into it, gonna tear everything off. It's mostly gonna be a time lapse today because it's cold. It's really cold. Recording is difficult. Let's jump right into it. So we finally got the head off. Apparently the head bolts are torqued to like 61 foot-pounds, and I could barely break them loose, so I hope I'm stronger than that. Anyway, so our little junkyard B18's not ideal, but it's not the worst, so I think I can clean that up probably. Hit it with a vacuum, oil the cylinders, make sure there's no actual pitting, I guess, specifically this one. It's a gross little chunky though. Anyway, I think that's pretty much it for the day. I'm exhausted and there's food here and that's real dirty and I don't want to deal with that right now. So that's how it's gonna sit, and then maybe this video or there's another one, I don't know. That's pretty much it for the teardown, and then we'll pick up again. So fucking sweating bullets. Catch you in the next one or in 5 minutes. Don't know. Food's here, like I said. So it's been a few days, roughly probably a month, no, a week. Boy, I'm tired, I'm tired, it's cold. To get the cylinder head finished, so all we did was valve stems and I don't even know which box it is anymore. I got valve stems for a VTEC head, and then the rest of it is non-VTEC, so those are just straight up incorrect. Then I got a set locally, and they gave me one wrong intake and exhaust. It's a whole thing. And then I screwed one up, and then I lost keepers. But the head's done. The head is finally done. So on to bigger and better things. We I'm gonna install a clutch kit that if I pronounce the name, people will make fun of me for saying it wrong, so I won't. With a good throw-out bearing. I was gonna get an Exity stage 1 clutch. I don't know, Exity, I think. Anyway, because that's the best OEM replacement, slightly more better because it's a stage 1. Unfortunately, that's like 2 months away. We got this one because this was about a week away. And then, Yonaka, my good old buddies over there, got us a flywheel. Lightweight flywheel because, oh, there you are. I love that. That's like the one upgrade that is personally just for me. Makes it a little more rev happy. Also, I don't have to machine that gnarly one. And I get a brand new nice one.
Ooh.
That's going on the engine. That is held up with a hammer.
Only the best of the best
Yeah,
here.
we might try and adjust that one. So anyway, get some blue Loctite, slam that on. I don't know where the bolts are. Figure that one up. Figure that one out off of camera. But basically that onto that with some of that, and then that, and then that,
and then that.
Yeah. Well, let's hope I didn't miss something bottom end. I didn't do bearings on this one, and I bet this is the time it bites me in the ass. Positivity. Work on that. It's really cold. I'm shivering. The camera's shaking. Yeah. Let's get going.
Ooh.
Throw bearing in there, nice and happy. Clutch, flywheel, sexy, lightweight flywheel. Yes, yes. Everything's nice and happy there. Didn't really touch the short block. Cylinder head ready to go. Just clean the surfaces. So we're gonna put that onto that over there off camera, and then we'll put the bolts I'm sitting on. Well, I guess studs. Studs into that. That onto that.
You're a stud.
Jesus Christ. And then all of this into the car. So I guess this is the end of the engine. No, it's not. I don't need to say that. Alright, so this is the part of cars that sucks. Don't mind the disaster behind me everywhere. I have completely torn this entire garage apart looking for those gaskets that were up there, and now all this stuff is just everywhere because the set I got is in fact for a VTEC B18, which is funny because those are also for a VTEC B18 and 16. So I had to go out and buy a fourth set of gaskets for a non-VTEC B18. Also, we are now past the nice days. Today is minus 20, tomorrow is plus 5, and then it goes down to minus 35. So companies labeling their gasket sets wrong, or the inventory showing the wrong one, I don't know. Has really bit me in the ass with all these non-refundable gaskets. So we checked part numbers 3 times this time. Anyway, this is where we're at. This is probably the last clip you saw. Head studs. Turns out the 2 longer ones go in the middle. I didn't know there were 2 longer ones. Now we know. So those are hand tight in there. This time we'll slap the head gasket, yeah, that's it, onto the engine, cylinder head, timing, motor mount, and we're gonna put it in the car today. Hopefully, maybe. We'll see what happens. Now I'm not gonna try and get it running today. No siree. Tomorrow's +5. That's the wiring and try to get a running day. Today, just gotta get it in the car. So next up, we're gonna clean up everything again because it all got covered in a disaster of me looking for parts and everything. So cylinder head on, do the timing, take care of the cams. Let's do it. No more issues from here on out. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we've been a little busy off camera. We finally got it together, got the timing nailed. That took a while, and we didn't run into any more parts that were incorrect. That's a happy day. So, B18 ready to go into the car. We're going to do that next video, which I'm actually doing right now because it's 4 p.m. and getting way worse outside. So, that's it for the engine rebuild. I guess I can't really say rebuild. All we did were gaskets, but we went through. It looks good, so that's about it. So yeah, thank you guys. Stay tuned. Engine's going in real soon. I think I deserved a nice glass of water. Thanks for watching, guys.